Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. I create videos about make money online, affiliate marketing, online business. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with Amazon Associates account. And this is a really very good beginner friendly method because I know many of the people who are watching my videos are beginners in terms of affiliate marketing or are new who are new in the field of making money online. So today I'm going to show you how to make money online as a beginner. Anyone can absolutely do it, no matter wherever he lives, in whichever country. This is the method for all. So just all you need to do is take action and you can see the results. Okay, so this is really simple, this is really easy. Now let's get on to the content without wasting any of your time, because I know your time is very very important and you are really eager to make some money online. Okay, so let's go. So the tool which we are going to utilize for this method is known as Sniply. Okay, it is available for free. All you need to do is go to Google and just search for the tool, which is name is Sniply. Okay, the website is snipsnip.ly and you can just sign up for it. Okay, it's really easy to sign up. All you need to do is enter your Gmail and just confirm the Gmail. Okay, and just confirm the confirmation email and you are ready to do it. Okay, now what is the benefit of this tool is what I'm going to show you. Until I don't show you it, you won't be able to understand how to utilize this tool. Okay, now to utilize this tool we need to first find one of the product to promote. Okay, so let's go to YouTube. Okay, and I will be finding one of the products to promote. For example, let's search for health. Okay, what can we search for? Health and fitness. Okay, home gym. Okay, home gym equipment. Okay, so I am searching for home gym equipments and you can see here many of the videos are popping up which are related to home gym equipments. Okay, so see, there are so many of them videos. Okay, now we will just select this first one. Okay, this is just I'm just showing you because this is really easy to do. Okay, now just click on the share button and get the link of this. So we got the link of this video. Okay, now what we are going to do is what now it takes the role. Okay, so we will be promoting our Sniply widget on this video. Okay, so now let's go to Sniply. Okay, so now we are back to Sniply. Okay, now what you have to do is just go to over here and paste this video, which is control. Okay, now we will be creating a snip, so we'll be getting the Amazon link. Okay, so let's search for something which is, just go and sign up for an Amazon associate account if you don't have one. It is really easy to sign up. All you need to do is provide some of your information and you are ready to go. Now just see here, gym gym equipments. Gym equipments for home. So now let's see what products are available for gym. Okay, I don't find anything. Okay, dumbbells. Okay, dumbbell sets for men. Just something which is related to. Okay, so this is the product which we will be promoting. Okay, this is $194. So you are going to get 5 to 10% commission on this. Okay, now how to get the the Amazon link for this product. Okay, so we have just gone to this product. Now what you have to do is just go over here and just select here text link. Okay, and you have got your link. Now all you need to do is control C, copy the link. Okay, this is really easy and you have got the affiliate link for your offer. Now what you have to do is just create a snip for this. Okay, Control V and create snip. So just you have created a snip for this. Okay, now button text and your button link. Okay, so here's your button URL, which is Sniply, and we will be replacing that with, okay, this is our button URL. So if someone clicks on this button, he will land on this. Okay, and here the URL, okay, by mistake I place here the Amazon URL, but you just have to paste the YouTube video URL over here. Now just click on this share, get the YouTube video link. Okay, and then just go over to this and just press Control V. Okay, so this is the YouTube URL. This is the something which is just add a new call to action, because this is best gym equipment. Okay, we just clicked on best gym equipment. Okay, so here you can see this is the type of ad which will come next to our video. Now all you need to do is create snip. Okay, click snip. This is one of the best tool, and now what you have to do is just copy this link and just visit link. Okay, and you will see what will happen. Okay, now this is something really interesting. So the video which we have already is popping up over here, and here you can see this is my ad. Okay, this is due to Sniply. This is the tool, how this tool works. Okay, and this is the ad. Okay, and you can see here, if someone clicks on this get it now, okay, then he directly goes to the Amazon associate. Then he definitely goes to my Amazon associate link, and if he buys something from Amazon within 24 hours, even if it is not that product, or buys any other product, then I get the commission from Amazon associates. Now I'm going to show you where you are going to promote this Sniply link. Okay, so all you have to do is just copy this link from here, and now how you are going to get traffic, this is the main thing. All you need to do is just go to Facebook and just search for fitness okay, and press enter, and just go for groups. So see, there are so many fitness groups like this one. Okay, like this one. Okay, gym workout fitness. All you need to do is just join some of this group, and then you can post about the stuff. All you need to do is go to this page and just create a post like I like fitness. This is something which I found, and this is what I have bought, and this has helped me greatly in achieving my fitness goals. And this type of post is what posts you have to create in this groups, and just give out your Sniply link over there. And if someone is interested in your Sniply link, he is definitely going to click on it, and whatever he buys from Amazon within 24 hours, you are going to get a commission for that. So this is really easy, really simple stuff. Okay, this is how you are going to promote Amazon associate links on Facebook using the tool Sniply in a right manner. And this is really what is your landing page. This is really something awesome looking landing page, which is definitely 100%, which is really going to convert very well. And you know that Amazon is a very trusted brand, people trust it, so really you are going to get very a good conversion rate from this. If you consistently do this method, join 5 to 10 groups and just consistently post in those groups, then you are definitely going to make $1,000 a month in passive income just by posting some links on Facebook. But the trick here is to stay consistent, is to do this work every single day, and you can start making money doing this method. This is one of the particular method which I have done myself in the past, and really I was making almost $100 every single month with this method just by posting on Facebook using this Amazon links. And this is really awesome, this is really easy. Okay, and if you got some value from this video, just press the like button. And if you want to watch more and more of my videos just like this, which will teach you about make money online, affiliate marketing, or online business, just check out my channel. I have got over 100 videos which will tell you everything about this stuff. And we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.